guys, welcome back.
So what are we up to today? We came up here, just the two of us.
Are we trying to finish?
Each other's sandwiches. So we're gonna hang doors, we're gonna do trim, and we also brought a bottle of wine and some hummus.
Yeah.
Let's just get the doors done and then we'll see how we're doing tonight. If we feel like doing more stuff, like trim.
Okay, let's do that.
Okay.
Okay.
I feel like you're gonna do something weird.
Jordan's got some shims. Last time he had to make his own. He's got his tool belt on. He is ready to go.
Got a new hose.
Got new hose. That one looks pretty cheap though.
So I like about it. I like cheap hose. Okay.
Now I know what to eat for your birthday.
What? Wait. Why do you do the things you do,
And you
hose?
threw your other hose away.
No. I need to swap the adapters real quick. This hose I hooked in the yard because it got too gluey, and you can tell that's what happened. And tight, no issues,
No leaks.
no leaks.
It is so weird having electricity. When I came upstairs, I was hanging out up there for like, I don't know, 5 minutes before I realized that I could turn the lights on. Do you do that?
So true.
So we are off to a very slow start. Jordan worked on this door last weekend. Well, actually, it was only like 3 days ago.
Couple days ago.
Forever, and could not get it.
It was not forever. We were rushed for time.
Anyways,
Oh.
I couldn't get it square. If it was up to me, I would have just left it. I was like, that looks fine. His swing's good enough. It was only gapping a little bit. I was like, who cares? Just leave it. Anyways, he's rehanging this one.
Just gonna take it all down and restart.
What about this side?
Well, this is the, you shim this side. This side is all that matters.
Oh, okay.
Because you do your jam side totally level. So this side should sit down. And that's fine. Tight in this corner, which is, I could have sworn that's how I was up the first time.
Mosquito proofing.
Plug in the holes. That looks nice, we can just do that.
Yeah, I'm gonna keep thinking there's like a small person there. We are back at it. Day 2 of doors. Well, actually it's day 3. But last night we decided to call it quits to get to bed early, but we got in the camper and watched half hour, 40 minutes of Meet the Fockers and ate some snacks and then passed out. Okay, so back to this door. Jordan, where we left off, Jordan has to cut, what, another eighth of an inch off the back left side of the door. The last door is up. Jordan said it's spot on. How do you feel, honey?
Feel like going to Disneyland.
We have doors. It's a little nervous. A little scary.
Little sketched on doors.
1, 2, 3, 4 doors. They're in. They're done. They look great. Okay, the doors are in. Success. So now we are going to head upstairs. We're gonna finish trimming and then we'll make our way downstairs, trim out the doors, trim out the baseboards, all that. And we're just gonna work on trimming out this whole little cabin today, right?
Well, I think.
Or are we gonna do all the windows?
Let's start upstairs and do the
Check.
windows. Or let's do the whole upstairs
Yeah.
and then work our way down here.
Box one is done. Let's see how this fits. Are you excited?
So excited.
Oh my gosh, beautiful, babe.
Great. Take all these stickers off too, babe.
I'll start doing that. Oh, I love that. Oh my gosh. Making Jordan some food because it's almost noon and we haven't eaten anything yet. He's getting a breakfast sandwich and I'm making some taquitos because it sounds like lunchtime to me. Jordan has requested some coffee and taquitos. I knew he was going to want some after seeing mine, so that's what I'm doing now. I know it may not seem like it, but we actually eat really healthy throughout the week and when we're at home. Just a lot of meats and vegetables and fruits and whole grains, stuff like that. But when we're camping and doing this, frozen food and hot dogs and gas station food, it's just so much easier, you know? This is a lot of work. It's a big undertaking with 3 kids. So to make our life a little easier, we treat ourselves with microwavable foods and sandwiches, which are good for you, and all that sort of stuff. And my family like banned me from bringing broccoli salad anymore because it smells too bad, but it's delicious and nutritious. So that's that. Look like a hard-working man.
Quicker. Thanks for the coffee.
You're welcome. Can I taste that?
Two down.
2 down.
Break time. I brought these too. Donuts.
Ooh,
Miniature. These little baby donuts.
Thanks, darling. You're sticking on my beer bottle.
Close.
Fresh. Okay, honey, so what's up? You framed around the windows downstairs. You did a little bit of base. What's going on? Talk to me.
I basically used up all the material that I have. All that is sitting right there is going back to the store to stash.
Look at this face.
says,
Whose truck is this? This is Dad. It's for you. Yeah. You can have my truck with you all the time. All the time.